Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Power BI with Excel. So I have my Excel sheet right here with all my data, and I've actually used this in Power BI to generate visuals and do a lot of analysis. Now, what you need to do is open up your Power BI desktop, and then here, click on Import Data from Excel. Okay, or you can click on this icon right here as well under Home, and then I'll import this one. So I'll just select my Excel file and then click on Open. And then we just need to wait for this to connect and establish a connection to our Excel file. And then we need to just choose the sheets that we want to use. So I'll select all of these two sheets. And of course, you can preview everything right here. Just click here on Load, and your data will be loaded into your Power BI desktop, and then you'll see all your columns and fields here under data. So we'll wait for this to load up, and then once we select data, we will see everything right here. There we go. And now we can create visualizations and analysis using Power BI. So for example, I'll just select this one quickly just to show you. We can do profit and country, and there we go, sum of profit by country. And it's really that easy and simple.